everyone! So today I'm going to show you how you can make some simple salt dough decorations with your baby. For this you will need 4 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt and 1.5 cups of warm water. Add the salt to the flour and give this a really good mix. Next you need to slowly add the water and then mix this until you get a smooth dough. Turn your dough out onto a floured surface and knead it for around 10 minutes until it's all come together and is nice and soft. Roll out your dough until it's about half a centimetre thick. Once your dough is rolled out, then you can start to create your shapes. So you could use your child's hand or foot to make handprints and feet prints, or you could just use some normal cookie dough cutters. Just make sure that if you want to hang your shapes that you need to poke a hole in them before they go in the oven. So I've used a straw here, but you could use a chopstick or just a sharp knife. Pop your shapes on a baking tray and then put them in the oven on a really low heat, around 100 degrees Celsius, for a few hours until they're completely dry. And once your shapes are completely dry, then you can start to decorate them. So I've just got some normal poster paint here. You can also get your children involved as well to help you decorate them. You can add things like glitter and ribbons. Have fun!